morning. My name is Natalie Ruffin and I serve as the city's Parks and Recreation Director. We are here at Germantown Station Park. Over the weekend we celebrated a ribbon cutting ceremony for the new playground equipment here. We hosted the official grand opening of the playground. So this capital improvement project called for the replacement of the old playground equipment, which includes a new playground equipment structure for ages 2 to 12, a new swing set with an ADA swing seat, new ADA extended sidewalks, and 3 park benches were also included, along with the playground safety surface. So the services that Germantown Parks and Recreation Department provides aligns with 2 key performance areas within the Germantown Forward 2035 strategic plan, which one of them is natural resources. So our staff continuously works to advance the natural resources management plan, which includes providing access to nature, increasing public awareness, and working to maintain and reduce the invasive plants within our public spaces and along the Greenway, and then just working to expand the number of arboretums within our parks. So recreation and lifelong learning are part of the fabric of everyday life here in Germantown. Our programs and events are provided to residents to enjoy in a variety of ways, which leads to a healthier and happier community.